100 Pony Gaming. Alrighty then. Let me turn on the volume. Is it the volume turned on? Yep. Oh! Meep City 1 billion. What is it? What is it? Oh! 50 coins. Thanks. You opened up 50 coins. Yay! Guys, this is a very beautiful place. But today, it's February 1st, and we're going to look for online daters. Let's hop into a party. Oh, there it is. I don't remember playing legit, Meep City. Meep City has 1 billion in, like, 1 billion visits. And yeah, gaming, I'm not gonna create. I think there's a dance. Ooh, this guy looks like he can be, an online dater. Ooh. Let's check this guy's party, okay? Alright. Hi. Welcome to your first party. Okay, I don't care. Sup, girl? Hey. We're gonna catch some online daters here. Let's check the chat. Lil get exposed. I'm back. I don't think there's basically online daters here. Hi, something. What is this song? What kind of music? She's bullying, not me. Stop. But exposing people, making them feel bad. Bruh, I'm a fame. Okay, there's a fight going on. There's a fight going on. Don't. Look at her. What? Me? Stop. Look at that noob, XD. That's rude. Dude! We're finding a cyberbully right here. There's a cyberbully in this party. Is this a game? It's a toy in the toy shop. Eee! Oh my god, shut it. What? Shut it. Fake, fake, fake. You want to go out? Wait a second. Online daters and a cyberbully. Oh no, there's an online dater. Walk away. Okay, there's a cyberbully and there's a online dater in this server. In this. What are you saying? ... Ella, don't touch me. Oreos. Okay, I'm not going to touch her. If I touch her, he's going to go crazy.
Yes,
Seriously. You guys, ding. Oh, cool. What the? Yes, everybody. Yes, everybody. Okay. There's an online dater right here. I'm not going to touch Ella. I'm not going to touch Ella. Can I be the kid? I don't know. Online daters. Mia and Noah. Tell her. Evil okay. Okay, cyberbully and there's an online dater. They should stop online dater. Online dating. What? What is this going on? There's a bully here, and there's a online dater, an older here, and there's a cyberbully and an older. How? This is so freaking. Where's the owner of the party? You should stop. Oh, you're glitching. I see that. Who is the creator of the party? Is it him? Cooking? Let me check some. Fudge you. Is he trying to say the F word? Tell me. You're an adult, you dumbo. Stop now. Oh, you said a bad word. You said a bad word. Not Spanish people. Ah, not Spanish people. I'm not going to touch anyone, basically. Savannah. Ah, hi. Kawaii. Alright. I don't want to look anymore. Ooh, dinosaur girl. I mean, dinosaur guy. Okay, leaving the party. Because, okay, there's Goosh King. Guys, the party is Goosh King. I don't want to go to Goosh King because I don't want you guys to get addicted to the Goosh King song. Goosh King, Goosh King, Goosh King, Goosh King, Goosh King. Stop singing it. Someone's flying with me. Someone message me. Guys, 1 sec. Someone message me. Alright, let's go back to a new party. Let's go to, I want to go to the bigger ones. Let's go to party. Alright, let's go. Whoa. Rolly? Oh no, they're gonna play Rolly! It's gonna jump on my head. No. Okay. I want the puppet song. What is that song? Oh my god. Okay, there's no online leaders. Next party. Alright then. We're going to the next party. Whoa, there's a chimney. There's a tub. Whoa, nice house. That's the... Whoa, Alex! Alex fan. Whoa. I like the upstairs. Wow, that's so confusing. Flopper's room, don't come in. I mean, legit. Are they online dating inside? Clockwork? R.I.P. Don't go inside there. I don't see online datas. Honey, I don't speak hashtags. Oh no, someone said the F word. Someone said FWK. Yeah, actually, that's the wrong spelling. I'm lagging hard. Oh snap. Online dater! Go right here. Let's just pretend we're dancing. Let's dance. Let's just have dance. Online data. McDonald's. Wi-Fi. Something. Why? Sunny and Codden is online dating. I don't like online datas. He's spying at them. He's like, I have a crush on you. I don't like crushes. I don't want it to. Where's my mouse? Where did my mouse go? Oh, there it is. I thought I was missing like my mouse. Elmo. Something. Stop saying something. We don't speak hashtags. Oh, hi. Oh, let me get social. Hi. Oh, sorry. Say hi. Sorry. Hi. I'm Rachel. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. You look nice. I like your hair. I like your hair. I'm gonna be nice. I like your hair. She likes my. Okay. Alright, let me go dancing. She won't. Oh no, where did my mouse go? Oh, there we go. Seriously, she ignores me? That's rude, dude. Seriously, that's a stupid. LOL. I missed a conversation of her because of the stupid Rachel. I was being social. Oh, someone friend request me. That's a great idea. That is rude. Someone ignores me. My question. I like your hair. Seriously? That's a rude thing ever. That guy is going to annoy me a lot. Leave. Because this person. Alright guys. Return to the playground. Guys. We saw a couple of online datas. Yeah. I hate online dating. Loading. 1 billion visits. I don't want to. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching our spy. I'm going to dance in front of him at the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching our spying at. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pony Spies at Online Datas February special. Alright guys, bye mates. Let me just do the wave. Okay. Who likes Antedium? Bye. That's not a bye.